Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. I'm working on the color Vortex month 7, so it's classified in my filing system as week 26. So let's get busy and I'll show you what I've got done. So I always do as you see, I mark my month on my template paper. That way as I'm tearing it off, I know I have everything lined up according to their codes. So this is the block C6 that you're going to be able to see. So when we flip it over, you're going to see and make sure that you have all of your colors in their placements. Because when this block lines up over here, you're going to be able to see how this is all going to marry together. So it's going to be really simple. And as you start joining blocks, and I'm going to be showing you that at the end, how you're going to hit your key points along the way. So I'll see you back in the ends when we're marrying these blocks. But next week's block is amazing. It's got a few pieces with it. So stick with me and we're going to get this done together. Take care, God bless, and I'll see you back next week.